Is your localized networking logic apps broken by the SSH Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. To start the walkthrough for SSH Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the SSH Library, a specialized secure shell SSH library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of SSH protocol handshakes, including RSA and DSA key exchange and symmetric encryption. It facilitates the secure data link for remote command line access and SFTP file transfer manifests. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Because SSH Library DLL is specific to the Localized Networking Logic Runtime Environment standard, Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program where the error occurs to refresh the application and restore the file. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the SSH library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for SSH library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on SSH library. To keep SSH library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.